A very good morning to one and all, class 12th. Today we'll start chapter 5 from your book Flamingo, and chapter name is Indigo. This chapter is written by Louis Fisher. So let's read the chapter. And this chapter is about, as you can see, the name of the chapter is Indigo. So here is a picture of indigo plant for you people. And let's read the main points of the chapter. That Gandhiji attended the 1916 Lucknow session of Indian National Congress in this chapter. And Rajkumar Shukla, a poor sharecropper, met Gandhiji to complain about the injustice of landlord system in Champaran. And Gandhiji, impressed by the tenacity, fixed a date. And Gandhiji and Shukla reached Patna to meet Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was out of the town. And Gandhiji decided to go Muzaffarnagar to get detailed information of the plight of farmers here in this chapter. So these are the main points of the chapter. Let's read about this chapter. This chapter is written by Louis Fisher. So 1896 to 1970, was born in Philadelphia. He served as a volunteer in the British Army between 1918 and 1920. Fisher made a career as a journalist and wrote the New York Times. So here, Louis Fisher was born in Philadelphia, and he served as a volunteer in British Army between 1918 to 1920 for 2 years, I guess. And Fisher made it as a career as journalist. And Louis Fisher, he made his career as a journalist and wrote the New York Times and the Saturday Review, and for European and Asian publications. He was also a member of faculty of Princeton University. The following is an excerpt from his book, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. And this chapter is from his book, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. The book has been reviewed as one of the best books ever written on Gandhiji by Times Educational Supplement. और ऐसा कहा जाता है that according to Time Education Supplement, that this book is ever the best book, has been, you can say that reviews as one of the best books. So let's read the chapter from here. When I first visited Gandhiji in 1942 at his ashram in Sevagram in central India, he said, I will tell you how it happened that I decided to urge the departure of British. It was in 19. He had gone to December 1960 annual convention of Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. There were 2,301 delegates and many visitors. During the proceedings, Gandhiji recounted a peasant came up to me looking like the other peasant in India, poor and emaciated, and said, I'm Rajkumar Shukla, I'm from Champaran, and I want you to come to my district. Gandhiji had never heard of the place. It was in foothills of towering Himalayas near the kingdom of Nepal. So here, when I first visited Gandhiji in 1942 at his ashram in Sevagram. So here वो कह रहे हैं कि जब वो पहली बार गांधी जी से 1942 सेवाग्राम, जो कि सेंट्रल इंडिया का एक पार्ट है, वहाँ मिले थे, तो he said that I will tell you how it happened that I decided to urge the departure of British. कि किस तरह उन्होंने अर्ज मीन्स योर प्लीड. सो किस तरह उन्होंने प्लीड किया कि ब्रिटिश जो है वो यहाँ से डिपार्ट कर जाएं. इट वॉज इन 1970 एंड जो इंसिडेंट है वो 1970 का है. ही हैड गॉन टू डिसम्बर 1960 एनुअल कन्वेंशन. व्हाट इज़ कन्वेंशन? कन्वेंशन इज़ असेंबली हियर. सो एनुअल असेंबली के लिए वो गए थे. So he said that he told me that he would tell me how it happened that he had decided to urge, or you can say that decided to plead the departure of British, and he attended the December 1960 that annual assembly of Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. and there were like 2301 delegates. What are delegates here, students? The representative of that committee, and बहुत सारे visitors थे वहाँ पे. So during the proceedings, Gandhiji recounted. So here the proceeding, during those proceedings, Gandhiji recalled that in the middle of the proceeding, a peasant approached him. He was no different from the other poor and weak Indian peasants. So उस meeting में उनको एक peasant ने approach किया. Peasant is what? A small farmer. So उसने approach किया and came up to me looking like another one in India, and poor and emaciated. So what is emaciated, students? Emaciated is weak. And sharecropper, farmer who work on the arrangements. So what are sharecroppers? Farmers who work on the arrangements. So and the name of that person is Rajkumar Shukla. I am from Champaran and I want you to come to my district. और वो उनसे अप्रोच करने के बाद क्या रिक्वेस्ट करता है? मैं चंपारण गांव से हूँ और मेरा नाम राजकुमार शुक्ला है एंड मैं चाहता हूँ आप मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट एक बार विजिट करें. गांधी जी हैड नेवर हर्ड ऑफ द प्लेस. गांधी जी ने कभी चंपारण का नाम नहीं सुना था. इट वॉज इन द फुट हिल्स ऑफ टावरिंग हिमालयाज near the kingdom of Nepal. So Gandhiji was hearing a place with such a name. This place was situated in the foothills of Great Himalayas near the territory of Nepal, you can say. Under an ancient arrangement, the Champaran peasants were sharecroppers. Rajkumar Shukla was one of them. What is sharecropper? I have already told you, the farmer who work on the arrangement, यानी फसल के हिस्से पर काम करने वाले farmers. So according to the you can say that old tradition, the peasants of Champarans were sharecroppers, and Rajkumar Shukla was one of them, and he did not study but had determination. So here he was illiterate, means he did not study but had resolute, means determination. So he had come to the, move on to next page. Here is a picture of Rajkumar Shukla. So Congress session to complain about the injustice of landlord system in Bihar, and somebody had probably said speak to Gandhi ji. So he mentioned here that when he reached there near Gandhiji, and his main objective to come to the Congress session was to complain about the injustice. So here Rajkumar Shukla was approaching Gandhiji for what? To complain against the injustice being done by them with through the landlord system in Bihar, and he must have been advised by someone to have word with Gandhiji. That someone told him to have words with Gandhiji and speak to Gandhiji. He will solve your problem. So he reached over there and talked to him. So Gandhiji told Shukla he had an appointment in. सो गांधी जी बोलते हैं उससे शुक्ला से कि उनकी एक अपॉइंटमेंट है कानपुर में. कहाँ पे? कानपुर में. सो दिस इज लाइक बंगाली वे ऑफ से कानपुर, and was also committed to go to the other parts of India. Shukla accompanied him everywhere. Then Gandhiji returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad. Shukla followed him to the ashram. For weeks he never left Gandhiji's side. So here what was going on, that when Gandhiji told him that he has several meetings and several already he committed to some people that he wants to go here and there. So Shukla accompanied him everywhere. So here जो राजकुमार शुक्ला है उन्होंने उनको सब तरफ उनके साथ गए. And then गांधी जी रिटर्न टू हिज आश्रम इन अहमदाबाद. और जब गांधी जी अपने आश्रम में अहमदाबाद में रिटर्न हुए, शुक्ला फॉलोड हिम टू द आश्रम. उन्होंने उनको आश्रम में फॉलो किया. फॉर वीक्स ही नेवर लेट गांधी जी साइड. एंड उसने एक मतलब वीक्स कुछ महीनों के लिए उसने गांधी जी को बिल्कुल भी नहीं छोड़ा. Students will continue this you can say that next paragraph or next page of your chapter in our next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.